Okay, so what I need you to do on a daily basis is go to Curve Appeal and then go to Reports, and then underneath Reports you're going to see listings at minimum price. And what we're going to do is we're just going to download that, and then it'll give you this, and then basically anything that's Curve Appeal, so you will take out Curve Appeal. So let me show you the best way to do this. And for now, we don't want you to do anything with Curve Appeal, and that includes anything. So not only for this task, but like you really need to not include them. So what you can do here is delete all the Curve Appeal. And then what these listings are, they're just the listings that are at our minimum price and won't go down any further. So we need to lower the price by 10% for the minimum. So basically you can just, so what you would do is you would look at the competition, and then lower it by 10%. Now, so like this one would be 297 minus 10%, so it would be like 277. So, but you're just going to use the formula and do that. Now you're going to see here that, and these are all going in the min-max sheet for AppEagle. Now you're going to see here that they don't give you anything. So what you need to do is you need to, on these zeros, on the zeros, what you need to do is you need to look at the live item price and then just go 10% lower than that. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.